Hi, how are you? So, if you are a beginner and you know many words in English but still do not able to speak properly, then welcome because today I'm going to share a perfect structure for you. But before going forward, let me clarify one thing. So, if you really want to master this language, then you have to master small sentences because what natives do, they never use any long term sentence or long pages. They always try to speak in small sentences and small phrases, and in reality it seems very natural. For instance, when we speak in our mother tongue, like my mother tongue is Hindi, so when we speak, so what we do, we always answer in a very short sentences. like in my mother tongue Hindi, अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता है क्या आपने खाना खा लिया, तो मैं उसके हमेशा रिप्लाई करती हूँ कि हाँ मैंने खा लिया। अब इसकी जगह अगर मैं उसे इस क्वेश्चन का रिप्लाई इस तरीके से दूँ कि हाँ मैंने खाना खा लिया, मैंने नाश्ते में आलू का पराठा खाया, उसके साथ सॉस खाया, देन पानी पिया, देन ये सब किया, तो क्या ये नेचुरल लगेगा? ये बिल्कुल अनइवन लगेगा, अनयूजुअल लगेगा, हमें इतने की नीड है ही नहीं। जब इतने छोटे से पार्ट से काम चल रहा है कि मैंने खाना खा लिया, and this is the same scenario happens in English as well. When somebody asks you that how are you or have you done your breakfast or any other questions, so try to answer that actually needed, not a long paragraph. So the first pillar of this structure is a good introduction, and a good introduction always start with a good greeting. So whenever you will go and start a conversation, so please try to start with a good greetings. Like if this is morning time, then say very good morning, or you can say just hi or hello with a genuine smile, because when you show naturality within your heart, so it seems very beautiful and next person get curiosity to speak with you. So this is the first thing that you can do whenever you start speak. Now, let's come to the main portion of conversation, that is mid part. After introduction, everyone gets stuck because, like always, everyone thinks next person will start conversation. But in this time, you have to take your first step and start asking anything. And you can use some very formal phrases, structures like have you ever, and then you can start your question like have you ever visited my city, have you ever eaten this food, have you ever been there, have you ever eaten anything. And a good question can really emphasize next person to open up his personality in front of you. So always ask some very genuine question, like you can ask to the next person like uh, tell me any incident after that you have changed, or tell me anything that you have done with your full heart in last week, or any amazing question that really unexpected to for next person. So it get it suddenly create a genuine interest in you, in the heart of next person. And do not forget to prepare answers for yourself. Otherwise, when the next person will ask the same question to you, so what you will do at that time? So, prepare a little bit answer. Try to remind some key points in your mind. Then, if next person will ask this question to me, so I will answer these things in that. And yeah, do not take stress that much because everyone, everyone like us, like everyone is human beings, so they are also on the same wave, they are learning this language, so you don't need to take any kind of stress. And the last part is that is concluding any call. So when you conclude any call after two or three question, and I'm not telling you any other thing after those mid part, after that mid part, because I'm here to tell you that how can you maintain a 5 minute long conversation. Otherwise you can do the same thing, like you can add more questions or more things between the conversation. So my moral is just to start with a good introduction and then ask some genuine but deep question, so that at least you can communicate for a little time, not just for 2 or 3 minutes. At least you can stretch your conversation using this pattern for more than 5 minutes. And in the last, you can say it was a very enjoyable moment with you, and I would really love to talk with you again or again, and with a very good greeting like take care or good evening or see you soon, anything. So this is kind of structure, I think, really helps to people to those are learning this language. Because when I was in my initial phase, जब मैं ये इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज लर्न करना स्टार्ट कर रही थी, तो मैं भी ऐसे ही किया करती थी, अपने मन में एक स्ट्रक्चर सा ड्रॉ किया कि पहले जैसे ही कॉल स्टार्ट होगी ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन पे, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन होगा सो दैट वी कैन कंटिन्यू हर कॉन्वर्सेशन। एंड देन मैं 1 या 2 अपने क्वेश्चन सामने वाले से पूछूंगी, उसके बाद वो मुझसे पूछेंगे, एंड देन अगर अच्छा लगा तो हम और कंटिन्यू करेंगे, क्वेश्चन क्रिएट्स क्वेश्चन। और अगर नहीं लगा तो इट्स ओके, माई गोल वॉज टू stretch my conversation for 5 minutes and then 10, then 15, and gradually I increased that. And now I'm quite comfortable with this language. And at the end, just give a good greetings to your opponent, and that's it. So this was the structure. Let me know in the comment section that how was it. And if you like the video, then please like it, and let me know in the comment section then, and that did you watch this video completely, or which kind of things we can include in our structure, and what's your way of talking as a beginner or as intermediate. So don't forget to share your things with me. Until then, take care.